Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. What is the most unfair Social Security disability rule in the entire system? There are some top contenders. For example, having to look at whether or not you could do a job in the national economy, because making potentially disabled people have to move to another state is kind of like spitting in their eye. That's an option. Another one is the 1/3 reduction rule, which I think would win the ticket, which is where we take from basically impoverished people who are receiving assistance from other who can only go on SSI. We are taking away 1/3 of their monthly benefits, which you can't live on just $500 a month, but they'll do it. So what they do is they take away 1/3 of their benefits if they're receiving assistance from somebody else. They don't even calculate if that assistance is worth 1/3 of their check. It could be worth significantly less. It could be worth significantly more. And basically what they do is, instead of getting their $783 a month, they get $500 a month, around $500. That would be the winner. What is the most unfair Social Security disability rule? The 1/3 reduction rule. That is the kick to the throat. That is the machine gun versus the knife. That's the one that's unfair. All right. What is the 1/3 reduction rule? This only applies to Title 16 SSI claimants. If a homeless person has somebody assist them and gives them a room somewhere, or a homeless program houses somebody, or somebody like a grandma gives them money every month, the Social Security Administration, if those things were not in the form of a loan, will go ahead, they have to pay back the loan, will go ahead and reduce their back pay for each month they were receiving that assistance, and their forward pay for each month that they continue to receive that assistance by 1/3 of their benefits, thereby equating to a loss of over $250. Makes no sense as to why we are going to injure the impoverished and make it so that they don't have enough money to live. But they do that. That's what they do. That's how that works. And a lot of people go, well, if they're receiving assistance, the government shouldn't have to pay for them. Most people are receiving assistance until they receive their benefits. Whatever. That's the video. That's the yada yada. And there's other rules too that I could go into as to why they're unfair, but I'll do like one of those, like, what's the top 3, what's the top 5, what's the top 10 most unfair Social Security disability rules. But right now I'm skipping around because I'm tired and yada yada. Anyways, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions at all, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call if you want the most up-to-date information. Shoot me an email or give me a call if you want me to add to the list of videos to be made an idea. That's fine. We will go from there. Thank you so much. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye-bye.